Okay, so I'm pretty new to the whole generative structure analysis, but I'm having some issues with this. This is three parts. It's rubber, I have a rim, and then I made a steel plate for the ground just to put pressure on one spot because I couldn't figure out how to do it at a single point. But I'm getting an error message whenever I do this, and whenever I looked it up, it had something to do with constraints, and couldn't really find any examples that had constraints with what I need. Most of it have been like a metal bar or something like that, nothing like this. But I've tried a combination of the clamp, the surface slider, and even user defined with the axial area here. So, I mean, I've just tried all sorts of stuff. I don't know what to do. I keep getting errors, so I don't know what all to do for this. But, I mean, I'll just show you what happens. What was the other thing? I did this one, the smooth virtual part, with this axis right here. Right there. Click OK. And then after that I use the user-defined one on this. I just said, it doesn't rotate on the axis because I want the rim to be stationary. I just want to see how these rubber walls collapse whenever I put a force on there. But let's go ahead and hit calculate. Oh wait, hold on, force. Trigger the force. Put it there. It's going upwards in the z direction, 100 newtons. Click OK. And then we hit calculate. It says warning rotation constraints. We're not taking. Okay, that's fine. Sometimes I get that message. I think it has to do with the different constraints I have. And it just asks you if you want to continue the computation. Say yes. Starts running, and then I always get this: factorized matrix computation, singularity detected in translation, pivot too small. Like I said, I read that it was something to do with constraints, but I don't know how to constrain this. Haven't found anything similar to it, so I don't really know what to do. If anyone out there can help or knows how I can constrain this to not get that error, be greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot.